Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add weight to Shopify product. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So how do you add weight to your Shopify product? Well, this one is pretty simple. It is actually a pretty straightforward process. So what you need to do first here is you need to go to shopify.com, log into your account, and open up your store here. So since I already logged in, what we need to do next is we need to access our products page. Now in this case, at the left panel here, you should see the product section. Go ahead and click on it and click on the option here that says add product or edit your existing product. Now in this case, this is going to be a new product here. So in this section, what you need to do is just fill out all the entire details that include the title, description, media, the pricing. But the only thing that you should be focusing here, since you want to add your weight, is going to be the shipping section. Now we all know including a weight for your product is something really important because this actually affects your shipping rates. Now in this case, make sure that you fill out and enable the option here that says this is a physical product if your product is actually a physical and this is not a digital product. Now in this case, you just need to include the weight here. So by default, it's going to be by kilogram, but you can change this to pounds or ounce or grams here. So in this case, you could go ahead and just enter the weight here and just click on save and you should be good. So if you're planning on including the weight of the package itself, you might have to need to go to your settings at the bottom left here and going to the shipping and delivery section and just scrolling down a bit and you should see the save packages. Just click on add package here and you should be able to add the package weight as well. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.